How to create a recurring text campaign with easy texting. A recurring text is one that is sent on a recurring basis, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. These are commonly used to remind contacts to take a regular action, such as submitting a time card. The ability to send a recurring text message is available in the premium edition of our subscription plans. To learn more about our subscription plans or how to upgrade to one that includes recurring text campaigns, please click the iCard in the top right. Now, to create your first recurring text message, click Create, then on Group Text. Select your campaign recipients and write your message. If this is your first time sending a text message, click on the iCard in the top right to view our Sending Your First Text Message video. After you have composed your message, scroll down and select the radio button that says Schedule Recurring. From here, you can configure how you'd like your campaign to run. The Repeats dropdown allows you to determine if you want your campaign to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. Daily campaigns can be scheduled every 1 to 31 days. Weekly campaigns can be scheduled every 1 to 52 weeks, on a specific day of the week, or on multiple days, such as Tuesdays and Thursdays. Monthly campaigns can be scheduled every 1 to 12 months and can deploy on the first day of the month, last day of the month, or on a specific day of the month. The Starts On and Ends On options can be used to set the start and end dates for your campaign. When you're all finished, click Review Message. The review screen will give you a summary of the contact list, estimated credit usage, and delivery date and time. Please note, your account will be deducted credits each time this message is sent. Total amount may vary based on contact list size at the time of sending. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Schedule Message. Congrats! You've now successfully scheduled your first recurring campaign with easy texting.